Today we're gonna make this traditional dish, seafood Yiouvetsi. So to get started on making our seafood Yiouvetsi, I'm gonna use here a Le Creuset, so that way I can make everything in this one pot. So I put medium to high heat here, and we're gonna heat up a half a cup of olive oil. We have 1 whole onion chopped. We're gonna saute that in our olive oil with some minced garlic, about 3 cloves. Next, we're gonna stir in our 1 can of crushed tomatoes. It's a 28-ounce can. We're gonna mix the tomato with the olive oil, our onion and our garlic. And now we're gonna add in our spices. So we're gonna do 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 bay leaf. Stir all of this together. I'm gonna lower the heat and we're gonna let this simmer for about 10-15 minutes before we add in our liquid and our orzo. So we let this simmer for about 15 minutes. So all of the ingredients have cooked together and the bay leaf in there with the tomatoes. So now next we're gonna stir in liquid. Now you can use water. Here I've used 1 cup of clam juice and 3 cups of water. I'm gonna stir this in. And we're gonna get this to come to a gentle boil before we add in our orzo. So I'm gonna stir this together. Heat up to medium. So you can see here how we have a little gentle boil. So that means our liquid is nice and hot. And we're gonna stir in our orzo. So we have 1.5 cups of orzo. I'm gonna stir this in. Perfect, and now I'm gonna cover this. We're gonna lower the heat, cover it, lower the heat, and we're gonna cook for about 15 minutes until our orzo is almost cooked, and then we'll add in our seafood. So here's our dish after about 15 minutes. Our orzo is almost finished. You can see that there, but now we're gonna add in our seafood. So for our seafood, you can be creative with this, but I have here shrimp that we're gonna add into this. I have mussels, lobster, calamari, and some whitefish. So I'm gonna add in all of that seafood into this. And I'm also gonna add in some fresh mussels in the shells as well. So mix this all together. I'm gonna cover it and we're gonna cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes. So everything's all cooked together and our orzo has been fully cooked. Cover that. Our seafood Yiouvetsi is ready. Look at this. For this recipe and many more, check out my website, nikkikleckis.com.